everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious chicken recipe, and I'm going to make boneless chicken thighs. It will be easy to make and it will be very tasty. 1 yellow onion, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 green serrano chili is a big one, 1 tablespoon garlic, and these are peeled garlic clove. I'm going to dice onion, ginger, green chili and garlic, and I'm going to cut these, then I'll share with you. Onion, garlic, ginger, green chili cut into small pieces. Spices from masala dappa, 1 cup water, organic tomato sauce, half cup tomato sauce, olive oil, Kashmiri mirch, boneless chicken thighs, and this is 6.5 pound. I'll use 2 pounds. So I'll cut into 3 pieces. My kids are not fond of fat, so I'm going to trim that one off. You can leave it as is. Nice chicken thigh size pieces. Get a fry pan and start gas. Keep gas on high. 1 tablespoon olive oil. You always can add any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, bring cumin. 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. Mix it. Cook for 10 seconds. This is good enough. Garlic, ginger, green chili. Add at the same time. Mix it well and cook it only until the garlicky flavor goes away. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving, and we're going to saute onion until they are nicely translucent. Onion is nicely brown. Add spices. Salt is always to taste, half teaspoon. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon black pepper. Kashmiri mirch, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well and cook the spices along with the tadka. Turn the pan on. Cooking for half minute, add tomato sauce. Half cup. Mix it well. Another minute of cooking, bring chicken. Mix it well. Keep mixing with the tadka and keep turning. On high gas, cook it for 5 minutes. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 10 minutes. I opened after 5 minutes, I stirred it, and another 5 minutes. Now we're going to open it. Mix it well. This is a perfect gravy. If you need more running gravy, you always can add more water. Chicken nicely cut through. Chicken thighs, it takes a little longer to cook. So now we're going to bring gas on simmer. Cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Cooking on a simmer for 10 minutes. We'll open it. Mix it. The chicken is all ready. I'll add kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon. That's going to bring a nice flavor. Cover with the lid. Give 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on the simmer. I'm going to turn up the gas. Open the lid. Delicious chicken thigh recipe is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready. Let me share with you. Very tasty and delicious boneless chicken thighs recipe is ready, and please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.